Hello friends, hope doing good. Today I'll show you how to cookie clear on your iPhone. Actually, I'm showing you how to cookie clear from Safari browser. So let's start. So first of all, you tap on settings. Then you can just look at the Safari browser. This is the Safari browser. You can just tap here. Then you can just scroll down a little bit. Then you see the clear history and I have set data. Then tap here. Then you can just choose which one, I mean, how long you want to clear data, cookies. Then you can just select all history, or if you want to just today or yesterday or last 1 hour. Up to you, you can according to clear history from here. Then you can just tap. I just select all, then tap clear history. All history is clear now. All right. So that's it. And thanks for watching this video. And let me know if you have any query. I will try to fix this. Thanks. Bye bye.